In the realms of God, if you are in the purpose of God, if you are in the agenda of God, nature will obey you. In these last days, that's why the Church of Christ should rise up and control nature. Because one of the things which are going to make this church of the last days powerful is controlling nature. If the church of this generation fails to control nature, the church will lose its value. I saw it in lockdown time. I saw men of God running away, everyone fearing COVID. We will die. It was a talk of government people and also with the men of God. Fear was everywhere. Nature was controlling. In the last days, one of the things which are going to control people is going to be nature. You mother this what I'm saying, this will be nature. Because technology will be advanced. Nature will disturb people. Sickness will disturb people. Food will not be there. Now they will tell you, if you don't have this, you can't buy. Nature will control people. You can't buy food. You can't go to school. You can't pay rent. You can't marry. You can't do this. You see what I'm saying? Things will be in a system and nature will control. Now those who have God, they will control nature. Because they will tell you, you're not supposed to go to America to preach. If you don't have a chip, if you don't have a passport, you don't have this and this, and you just go in your room, and then the Spirit of God will carry you. They will find you in America preaching.